Hello, respected parents and my dear loving students. It has been quite some times I have talked to you. Now I come before you, dear parents, to tell you a big thank you for your continuous support and cooperation that you have been giving to Christ School and its staff during the past months of online teaching and learning. I am very happy to see that you, the parents, have been continuously supporting and encouraging your children to complete the worksheets that have been sent along with the video lessons prepared by our teachers and sent to them time to time. Dear parents, I am also very happy and I thank you for your encouragement to your children and your support to participate in the fancy dress competition as well as patriotic song competition that we held online as part of the Independence Day celebration. The video clips and the photo shots have been sent to us and we have shortlisted. The first and second, third prize have been decided. We have informed you too. In short future, we shall call you individually and some prizes shall be given to you. Dear students and parents, our teachers have been really putting all their efforts to prepare creative, meaningful and contentious videos on each topic in every chapter of every subject time to time and send you on a daily basis. We are encouraged by your regular response, a very positive response by getting your students complete the worksheets and sending them back to the teachers for their correction and comments. I am also happy that our teachers are sending you the notes of each chapter after its completion and the children are writing down the notes in the notebooks. Thank you parents for bringing the notebooks to the school individually at your convenience as you get the time conveniently. The teachers therefore are able to go through the notebooks, the works done by the students, correct them properly with the necessary instructions for the students to follow up with. At present, we have completed the first periodical assessment and its correction too. It was really an appreciable response from the parents that they managed to get the question papers solved by the students on the same day as we have sent the question paper in the morning and the answer sheets were returned to us online by you. Now the papers have been corrected, results are being prepared. Soon we shall let you know the days and the time when you can come and collect the progress report. We are also planning for our half-yearly assessment tentatively after 15th of October with whatever the portion that will have been covered by then. I am sure with your continuous cooperation and support to us and our teachers and the guidance to your students at home, we make our effort of online teaching and learning very fruitful, meaningful and purposeful. I thank you and God bless all.